On this edition of IMCS Masterclass.
On this edition of IMCS Masterclass.
Hello, welcome to our masterclass.
It's been weeks of excitement, weeks of fun, and weeks of learning on IMCS Masterclass. We've given you the chance to hear from some of our alumni from Western and Eastern Africa. Now, IMCS Masterclass, while waiting for the next set of alumni to take over to give us insight, we have an IMCS Masterclass interim review. So let's get into the quiz mode. Question number 1. Which two countries do our speakers come from? The correct answer is Ghana and Kenya. Question number 2. Is it okay to ask questions at the end of an interview in which you are the respondent?
So at the end of the interview, again, feel free to engage the panel and ask them questions that are relevant to the interview process. That's what I would say, or to the role. So look at, for example, if I'm invited to a second interview, if they have said there's a second interview, what kind of responses could these people give me that help me to prepare better? Or if there are aspects of the organization I don't understand broadly without being even very detailed, can I ask one of them to speak to? I have seen people talk about what would success for this candidate look like. For example, if they were onboarded, or you're asking the panel, what does this organization do in this line or this? Just trying to understand the question. The organization. But let it be relevant. Let it be a question that really, even for you, does add value.
Question number 3. What is a market survey?
First thing I would say is document it, right? Write it down. Think about it, and after doing that, you do what is known as a market survey. Now, don't think that is such a fancy word. Hey, am I going to send out questionnaires or do a whole big study? It could be as simple as asking one or two friends what they think about your idea. This is the service I want to offer, or these are the products I want to get sell, or this is what I want to do. Do you think people would be willing and ready to buy it? And then at the price that I want to offer it. So after you've done your market survey, sometimes some people might even call it a business feasibility study. You could do it with different groups of people just so you have a good sense of what the market is saying about your product or service.
Question number 4. What are some important skills for entrepreneurs to learn?
Very important skills. Today, some entrepreneurs are extinct, are no more because they were not able to learn those skills. One of them is people management. The second one is communication. The third one is managerial skills. And we also have very important skills you need to learn, and that is risk taking.
And that's it for the interim review of IMCS Masterclass. I hope you got everything 4 out of 4. Let's make a date next week as we bring you another set of IMCS alumni who will be teaching us something refreshing.